Yep, that's what we're working on. And I'm going to make this easier because I'm going to do the wipers from this side because I am 6 foot and you need a 10-foot step ladder to get to that one. So we're gonna show you on this one. Very easy. Look, just slide. There you go. It pops right out of the socket. Now if you hit the windshield and break it, that was your fault, not mine. So let's measure them and find you the right ones so we can all go along with our lives. So let's get that measuring tape. Oh, we got double deuces, yeah. Now let's see what this one is after I get caught. Are they both the same? Can't even reach. Yes, yeah, they're both the same. So there you have it. I can't reach that. You have to get a ladder. Or let's see if we can get it on the other side. Okay, lift it towards you. Much easier, but do not, and I repeat, do not lose control of this, because this comes down without the blade on it. You just bought yourself a $500 windshield. Not my fault. I told you not to do it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.